TinkerBlock Series Premium Modular Aesthetics, simulating traffic signal logic. Connect GND to GND, then R to digital pin 2, G to pin 3, and B to pin 4. NC, internally isolated. Leave it floating. Required 4-pin jumper wire, Uno R3, and the TK03 traffic light module. Start by seating the jumper cable into the TK03. Align the pins. Next, terminate the ground wire to the Uno, followed by R, G, and B to their designated digital pins. Ensure every connection is seated firmly. Interface via USB. Define the signal pins. Red, yellow, and green are mapped to digital 2, 3, and 4. This establishes the hardware control for our traffic sequence. In setup, we set all pins as outputs and initialize them to low. This ensures the module starts in a completely cleared state. For the red sequence, we set red to high while keeping others low. The delay holds this stop signal for 5 seconds. The code then cycles to green for 5 seconds, then yellow for 2, simulating a standard traffic flow in a continuous loop. Final step, select the correct COM port under Tools. Hit Upload to flash the firmware. Upload successful. The TK02 is now cycling through red, green, blue, and white. Logic confirmed.